Imagine this. A 72-year-old man who had struggled with high blood sugar, thinning hair, and constant joint pain sat down one morning with a cup of steaming green tea, not from any store-bought blend, but brewed from a wild stinging plant his grandmother once called nature's cure. Within weeks, his blood sugar began to stabilize. His hair, which had dulled and thinned, regained a healthy shine, and the pain in his knees, it eased like never before. That plant. Stinging nettle. Yes, the same annoying weed that makes your skin itch when touched, hides an astonishing secret. It may help prevent prostate cancer, support blood sugar balance, restore hair growth, reduce inflammation, and detox the kidneys. It's been used for centuries, from ancient folk remedies to modern herbal medicine cabinets. But how can something that stings be so healing? Today we're going to explore the remarkable truth behind stinging nettle, how its tiny hairs pack powerful compounds that fight disease and restore health, especially for people over 60. Whether you've heard of it before or it's completely new to you, what you learn today might just change the way you look at weeds forever. Let's uncover the health secrets of this underrated wonder, from root to leaf, from pain to healing. Stinging nettle, known scientifically as Urtica dioica, is a humble green plant with jagged leaves and fine hair-like structures that release a sharp stinging sensation when touched. You may have brushed against it during a hike and remembered the burning itch that followed. But what many don't realize is that this sting is actually a sign of the plant's healing power. The hairs on its leaves and stems contain histamine, formic acid, and other natural chemicals that paradoxically contribute to its medicinal effects when processed correctly. While fresh nettle may irritate the skin once it's dried, boiled, or extracted, it becomes a therapeutic powerhouse. Stinging nettle has a rich history in herbal medicine. For centuries, it was used across Europe, Asia, and North America to treat joint pain, wounds, fatigue, and even blood disorders. In ancient Rome, soldiers used it to warm their limbs during cold marches. In medieval times, it was brewed as a tea to purify the blood and cleanse the kidneys. Today, modern science is catching up. Researchers have found that stinging nettle contains powerful antioxidants, anti-inflammatory agents, vitamins A and C, and minerals like iron, magnesium, and calcium. What makes it unique is its ability to support multiple body systems, from the skin and hair to the urinary tract, blood sugar, and even the prostate. When it comes to prostate health, few natural remedies have attracted as much attention in recent years as stinging nettle. Prostate enlargement, or benign prostatic hyperplasia, affects more than half of men over 60. The symptoms, frequent urination, weak flow discomfort, can be disruptive and even lead to complications if untreated. While many medications exist, they often come with side effects. That's where stinging nettle steps in. Recent studies have shown that stinging nettle root contains compounds that may inhibit the activity of certain enzymes involved in prostate growth. One clinical trial found that taking 120 milligrams of dried nettle root twice daily helped reduce urinary symptoms and improved quality of life for men with early-stage prostate issues. It doesn't shrink the prostate directly, but may work by altering how hormones interact with prostate cells. But it gets even more compelling. In laboratory studies, nettle extract has shown the ability to slow down the growth of certain prostate cancer cells. While human trials are still ongoing, researchers are hopeful. The plant's bioactive compounds, including lignans, flavonoids, and phytosterols, are believed to play a role in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, two key factors linked to the development of cancer. Of course, stinging nettle is not a substitute for cancer treatment, but as a complementary remedy under the supervision of a healthcare provider, it holds promise, especially for those seeking gentle plant-based support as they age. Diabetes is one of the most common chronic conditions among seniors, affecting energy, vision, circulation, and overall quality of life. But what if a simple herbal tea could help regulate blood sugar naturally? That's exactly what stinging nettle may offer. This remarkable plant contains compounds that may mimic insulin in the body, helping transport glucose into cells more efficiently. Several animal studies and small human trials have found that nettle extract can significantly lower blood glucose levels, especially when taken regularly over a few weeks. A traditional remedy recommends boiling 2 tablespoons of dried nettle leaves in 1 liter of water, then drinking the infusion 3 times a day. Many people report better energy, fewer sugar crashes, and improved glucose readings when they combine nettle tea with a healthy diet and regular activity. How does it work? Researchers believe Nettle's secret lies in its high content of flavonoids and chlorogenic acid, both known to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes. Plus, its diuretic properties help the kidneys flush out excess sugar through the urine, providing gentle support without chemical interference. Of course, anyone on medication should consult their doctor before adding Nettle to their routine, as it may enhance the effects of blood sugar drugs. But for many older adults, this plant offers a natural and accessible tool to help manage one of aging's most persistent challenges. What if the secret to glowing skin and thicker hair wasn't in a bottle but growing in your backyard? Stinging nettle has long been treasured in folk medicine for its remarkable effects on appearance, particularly for those over 60. As the skin naturally loses elasticity and hair thins with age, nettle steps in with a powerful combination of nutrients and natural healing properties. Nettle is rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and anti-inflammatory compounds that help fight acne, eczema, and even cold sores caused by the herpes virus. Its antibacterial action helps purify the skin from within, while its astringent nature tightens pores and reduces excess oil. Drinking nettle tea or applying a cooled infusion to the skin can soothe redness and irritation, making it an excellent remedy for sensitive, aging skin. But it doesn't stop there. For hair, nettle is considered one of the best natural treatments for hair loss and dandruff. It stimulates the scalp, improves circulation, and nourishes hair follicles with silica, iron, and magnesium, key minerals for healthy hair growth. Regular rinses with nettle tea or the use of nettle-infused oil can strengthen strands, reduce shedding, and add natural shine. Many older adults report a visible difference after just a few weeks: softer skin, fewer breakouts, and stronger hair with less breakage. And the best part, no chemicals, no expensive creams, just a plant that's been healing from the outside in for centuries. For those over 60, urinary issues, kidney stress, and breathing problems often become a regular concern. But stinging nettle may offer a natural, gentle way to support these vital systems. Nettle is a known diuretic, meaning it helps the body flush out excess fluids and toxins through urine. This action not only reduces bloating and swelling, but also aids in clearing out harmful bacteria, making it a powerful ally in preventing and treating urinary tract infections. Many people also use nettle tea regularly to support prostate health and ease mild urinary discomfort. By promoting fluid elimination, nettle can help prevent the buildup of waste and reduce the risk of kidney stones. It also contains anti-inflammatory compounds that support kidney function and calm irritation along the urinary tract lining. Seniors who suffer from recurring kidney discomfort often find relief with a warm cup of nettle tea each day. And surprisingly, nettle doesn't stop there. It also supports the respiratory system. Traditional herbalists have used nettle to treat asthma, hay fever, sore throats, and even pneumonia. Its natural antihistamine effect helps reduce allergic reactions and opens up the airways, while its expectorant properties help loosen mucus in the lungs. For people with seasonal allergies or chronic bronchitis, drinking nettle tea or using a tincture can bring noticeable relief. All of this from a single plant that grows wild in fields and forest edges. Stinging nettle may be a gift from nature, but like any powerful remedy, it must be prepared and used with care. First, never consume raw nettle directly. The fine hairs on the leaves and stems contain irritating compounds like histamine and formic acid, which can cause a burning sensation when touched. To safely enjoy its benefits, the plant must be dried, boiled, or processed to deactivate those stinging chemicals. Here are a few simple ways to prepare it. Nettle tea: boil 1-2 tablespoons of dried nettle leaves in 1 liter of water. Let steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Drink up to 3 cups a day. Tincture: purchase a nettle extract from a trusted herbal supplier. Take 30 drops in water 3 times a day or as directed on the label. Capsules: for specific conditions like prostate health, standardized nettle root capsules, 20 milliliters, are available and easy to incorporate into a routine. Topical use: to treat joint pain or skin issues, nettle cream, salves, and compresses can be applied directly to the affected area. Who should avoid it? People with low blood pressure, kidney problems, or on diuretics or blood thinners should talk to their doctor before using nettle. It can interact with medications and may not be safe for everyone. As with all herbal remedies, start small and observe how your body responds. From clearer skin to stronger hair, from better blood sugar to prostate support, Stinging nettle offers more than just a sting. It offers a chance at better health after 60. This humble plant has stood the test of time, used by generations who trusted nature to heal and restore. And now backed by science, it's once again gaining the recognition it deserves. Have you ever tried stinging nettle tea capsules or creams, or do you know someone who has? Tell us in the comments below your experience could help someone else discover the power of this forgotten remedy.